So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Duolingo app not working. So there's a few things you need to keep in mind when you're trying to assess if the Duolingo app is working properly or not. So let's start with the first one, which will be opening up your app store and through there trying to find Duolingo and make sure that the app is completely up to date. So you can see here right now it is, so you can exit Duolingo in the App Store. After that, swipe on over to Duolingo, the app itself, and make sure that you're following through with your courses, activities, and the goals that you've set for yourself. And this is how the app usually looks when it's being used properly. So when it's working, you can see some of the preferences you have for your profile, and everything is running pretty smoothly. Now, if you see and think that your app isn't working correctly, you can contact some helpful customer service and help center through here, the support section of your settings. You can also check your internet connection, whether or not it's working properly, since if it's not, you're going to see just a white screen with a notification that you can't use this feature because you aren't connected to the internet. You can only use these downloaded courses to practice your language skills, and that's about it. So that's how you can check and fix the app not working. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.